Hey everybody, this is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do an unboxing video for Artcreatlove. And I will have their website, as always, in the description box. And I also have a coupon code for 10% off, which is happycrafter10. I will have that link below as well. So let me show you what I received from them, and you can get an idea of what kind of items they sell. This is a paint by number company. So let's see, what all did I get? This right here is a set of paint brushes here. There's that. And then, of course, these, I believe these automatically come with the canvas. And then here is my colors. They are numbered. So that is that. And so pretty much these three things come together. I'll open the canvas in just a minute. So you get your paint, your canvas, and then you get these brushes. Now this is what I got extra, which is some different shaped brushes. And let's see how many is in here. 6 different brushes, and you can see all of the different tips there. So I got those. And then this right here is 2 little mats, and it's pretty much to have next to you while you're painting, to set your brush on. You know, so I'm sure most people that does the painting will have like something underneath. And these come in a pack of 2. So it is a pack of 2. And I got the pink and the white. So, you know, these are to set your brush on. And they also have different combinations. I know they had a black and a white. Of course, the pink and the white. And it might have been black and pink. I'm not sure. But I think you had 3 different choices to choose from. So that is what came in my little kit. And I will, you know, have everything listed below. So let's open this up so we can see. I don't know how well you can see, but okay, it comes rolled up on this little piece of foam. That's neat. And then this is instructions. So that is good to have. So they have thought of everything. But as you can see, it is flowers. Lots lots and lots of flowers for me to paint. So that's going to be fun. So that is the canvas. And I don't know how big this is. Maybe a 40 by 40. I think they do centimeters. So maybe it's a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. But it feels really nice. You know, it's not extra thick, but it's not really like paper thin either. So it's really nice. And also, when I was looking on their website, they also sell the frames that you can, you know, frame your canvas when you get done with it. So that is good. So that is my unboxing for Artcreatlove. Make sure you go check out their website. They have tons to choose from. And yes, I will have, like I said, the coupon code in the description box with the website. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.